Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a grape leaf. So to get started, you want to go ahead and make your slip knot, and you want to chain 14. The stitches you'll need to know for this is a double crochet, a treble crochet, a double treble crochet, and a single crochet. You can find all of those stitch helpfuls down in the description below. So now that we have our 14 chains and the second from the hook, you want to double crochet. That one right there. You want to double crochet all the way for the next 12 stitches. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And in the last stitch, you want to do 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we want to pivot our work. So let me show you what I mean. Is this is the row we just did on the right, and we want that to be at the bottom of our work. So let's do that again. This is the top we just did. You want to turn your work and work on the opposite side. And on this side, we want to do 10 double crochets. Now what you can do as you crochet across, you can tuck in the tail like I'm about to do. Make sure you pull it taut, that way your work looks nice. Alright, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that completes row 1. So you want to turn your work and chain 1. We want to skip the first stitch, and we want to do 10 double crochets across. So skip the first one, and we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the next 3 stitches, we're wanting to increase in each one of those, so it'll be 6. So we'll double crochet, so that's 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 5, and 6. And then on this side, we want to do another 10 double crochets. And this really is a fun pattern. And that is the end of row 2. So now we're going to go ahead and start row 3. You want to chain 1, skip that one first stitch, and in the next one we want to do 11 double crochets. And when we come to the last stitch in the next 3 stitches, we want to do increases. So in the next 3 stitches, it'll end up equaling 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll want to do 9 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that is the end of row 3. So row 4, we chain 1. We skip that first stitch and we do 10 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we increase across the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll want to do 10 double crochets. So the first part of this, the first 4 rows is mainly building the base of it, and the last 2 rows are going to be where we give it its really fun shape. Alright, that's the end of row 4. So row 5, we're going to change things up. We are going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And you want to do a treble stitch in the next 12 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then we will, oh, I was off on my counts, 12, sorry. So then we will chain 1, and we will do a double crochet, we will do 2 double crochets in that, sorry, 1 double crochet in that one spot to bring it back down, because we're trying to get down to the bottom level. So then we will do 2 double crochets. We will chain 3. And we will work 13 treble crochets. My apologies for getting the stitch count wrong. I'm not sure how I did that. I think I just got a little ahead of myself. But that's the fun part about crochet projects, is we make mistakes. They're very easy to fix. Although sometimes they can be frustrating to fix when you're like 10 rows in and realize you messed up on row 2. I have done that, and I will probably continue to do that. Just enjoy what you're doing. Here we are coming to the end. And that is the end of row 5. So now we are on the last row. You can see it all coming together. We will want to chain 1, skip the first stitch, and single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we will want to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll want to do a double treble crochet in that same stitch as we did our last single crochet, and then we will want to do 2 more double trebles in the next 2 stitches. Whoops, that's okay. And then we will want to do 6 treble crochets. Then we will want to chain 1 and work 3 double crochets down that last treble crochet. So 2, 3, then we will want to do 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 double crochets, and we will want to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we need to work 5 treble crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will work 4 double treble crochets. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, our grape leaf is done. Now just for the final little touches, you want to go ahead and snip your yarn, bloop, and go ahead and tie off however you choose to. I just do a little loop method to tie off my work. And then with a tapestry needle, you want to go ahead and thread your yarn. And how I tuck in my ends is I just kind of do a weaving pattern in the last stitches. In and out movement. Alright, and pull it a little bit taunter than you need. Ooh, maybe. There we go. And then snip your yarn. Bloop. And then pull it. That way it all kind of just disappears. And that is how you make a grape leaf. Don't forget that little bit. Still poking out. Alright, our grape leaf is finished. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And I hope you have a happy crochet day with your grape leaf. Job well done.